In the previous section, you were introduced to GitHub and we learned few important Git operations such as clone, fork and git pull push operations. In this section, we are going to learn about Git branches and few basic but important Git branch related concepts and commands. In this section, we'll learn what is Git branching and how to manage Git branches. We'll also learn basic Git branching operations such as creation, deletion and checkout. We'll have a look at 3 types of Git branch merging techniques. And finally, we'll learn pull request, an important GitHub operation related to team collaboration scenario. In this video, we are going to take a look at what is Git branch and how to create a Git branch and also a real-world Git branching scenario. Now let's get back to our bash terminal. So we are in the bash terminal and we are in the Git demo project repository, and we have worked with this repository earlier as well. So let's check how many branches we have in the current local repository. So we'll execute the command git branch. So this is a new command for you. Let's hit enter. And here you can see there is only one branch, which is the master, and that's the default one. So master is a branch that is created by Git whenever we create a repository. So we'll create now a Git branch of our own. So the command is git branch and then the name of the branch. So let's name our branch demo branch 1. Let's hit enter and the branch is created. Git, however, doesn't provide any output, but you can check the created branch by re-executing the command git branch. And so here you can see the demo branch 1 is created and the existing default branch master. Now we'll discuss a real world branching scenario. Now master branch is a permanent branch which always reflects a production ready state. In other words, it is the main branch. So let's diagrammatically represent a master branch. So we have our master branch ready with 3 commits, commit 1, commit 2 and commit 3. Now there can be other branches such as development branch, release branch and feature branch. Now we'll take them up one by one. Now the development branch is where the branch is always moving ahead due to continual work by the developers. Once development branch has acquired enough features for a release, maybe a predetermined release date is approaching, you can create a release branch of the development branch. Now let's diagrammatically represent a development branch. So here is our development branch and let's assume we have 5 commits over here. And our development branch is created of the master branch. Now a release branch is a temporary supporting branch to support preparation of a new production release. Creating this branch starts the next release cycle, so no new features can be added after this point. This is a branch mainly used for bug fixing, documentation, etc. Now let's diagrammatically represent a release branch. So you can see our release branch has been created from the development branch, and when the release is done, it merges back into the development branch. Now you can have feature branches too. So developer creates feature branches whenever they need to work on a particular feature during development. As developer works on new features, they create new feature branches and commit onto them. These branches are created so that the main line of development and the production ready master branch remains undisturbed. So let's now diagrammatically represent 2 feature branches, FB1 feature branch 1 and FB2 for feature branch 2. Now here is our feature branch FB1 and here is our feature branch FB2. Now this is a typical workflow using Git branches. However, your workflow does not necessarily emulate exactly this kind of workflow. And indeed, there are variations of workflows used in Git branching. So let's summarize. So we have learned the concepts related to Git branches. We have also learned how to create a Git branch, and we have discussed some real world scenario using Git branching.